Hey everybody, Austin here, Speedy Vinyl. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do foil, HTV foil. Today we're going to be using our Siser Easyweed Adhesive, and I have some pretty cool different foils here. These are StarCraft foils, which are, we have the big rolls available in the store. We also have the deco foil. Those are available in the store and on the website. But we're going to use a couple of strips of these just to demonstrate how you can use foil and how you can do the different layers. First we're going to go ahead and weed our design. I've got a pretty fun design here. So sit back and enjoy that, and we'll make that fast forwarded so it doesn't take forever. This is a pretty detailed design, so let's get right into that. Okay, so we've got our image fully weeded. This is our Easyweed adhesive. So foil is a two-step part. First thing is the Easyweed adhesive, and then you press the foil. The process is we're going to press this Easyweed adhesive first, but we're going to do a short press, just about 5 seconds or so, and that's just going to allow the adhesive to adhere to our material and then to remove the liner, and then we're going to go ahead and lay our strips of foil on. So I will go ahead and I'm going to set the camera up so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so we've got our shirt on our press. We've already done our preheat on the shirt. We've got our image placed where we want it. So we're going to go ahead and get a quick press, get this liner up. I'm pressing at 315 degrees. And like I said, I'm just going to go for about 5 seconds. And that's just going to help the adhesive set to the shirt. We're going to go ahead and peel this liner off. So this is just like layering. A lot of people get really intimidated by it, but it's really just the same thing as layering. Now the fun part about foil is you can take multiple sheets and you can lay them any way you want. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to do press, do a little piece of cheetah, do some pink. And it really doesn't matter how you lay this. You can lay it any way, you can overlap it, because all this is going to stick to is the adhesive. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and do a final press. We're going to go for about 15 seconds. And then we will cold peel our foil. That's the key, is you got to cold peel the foil. I've done it warm, and it does work, but you'll get better adhesion if you cold peel the foil. So it just kind of wrinkled up on me, so we're just going to kind of let that sit. And you want this to kind of get cool to the touch. So pull this off here. Turn the camera just for a second. Heat press off here. All right, so it's still just a little warm. Let's let that cool off for just a minute. It's going to cool off pretty quickly, so you just need to wait until it gets down to about room temperature again. If you have a cold countertop or something to set it on, that'll definitely help speed it up. Just take it out from underneath your heat press. And that will definitely help. Okay, so we've got our foil, and I think it's pretty cool now. It's definitely cooled down. This countertop is pretty cold, so that cooled it down pretty quickly. And then what you're going to do is basically just rip it off. Okay, and we'll just do our layers, and there we have it. So we've got our foiled shirt now. You might have a little bit of extra little fuzzies on there, and that's okay. You can just wipe those off. And let's check it out here. Yep, there we go. So now we're all adhered. You can just take your lint roller and get those little fuzzies off. Sometimes you'll get some little stragglers from the foil that came up from when you pulled it up. So, and that could have been because when I opened the heat press too, we kind of got a little bit left. But our design is intact. All the lines are there, and you can see the lines just kind of where we had our foil. Like it just split. So you could do it, as many pieces as you want. It's a very neat way to get a metallic sheen with a lot of different color. There's a lot of really neat foils out there. I mean, with what we carry, we don't even scratch the surface. There's just so many different kinds of pattern and stuff that you can find, and just really cool stuff. The coolest part about this foil, though, is you can save all your scraps. You can reuse a lot of this. So, save every little piece, throw it in a bag, and then when you get to, when you've got a bunch and you just want to make something for you, or somebody wants something crazy, cut all those little pieces out, man, and you make a really neat shirt out of it. So, really fun stuff. It's called screen printer's foil. There's just tons of it everywhere. Tons of different patterns and designs. It's available on our website, speedyvinylshop.com. We have kind of the primary colors. Some of this specialty stuff, like I said, we only keep in the store. We don't necessarily have it online. You can always send us an email, and I can try and facilitate it for you, though, if you do need it. If it's something that you really want, I'll definitely try to make it happen for you. But yeah, there you have it, guys. That's how you do foil using Siser Easyweed Adhesive. Key points. We press at 315. You press your adhesive first. You're going to do it for about 5 seconds. Peel that liner, and then go ahead and lay your foil on top. Get a full 15-second press. Again, I pressed at 315 degrees. You're going to let that cool down. You want to be cool to the touch. You want it to feel, like room temperature. And then you can go ahead and peel your foil up. So yeah, super easy, guys. I talk to people all day long and they tell me how intimidating it is and they're scared to try it. Don't be. It's a lot of fun. You can do a lot of really neat stuff with it. It'll apply just like, you can apply it to anything that you would Easyweed. Yeah, so hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully it was helpful and informative. If you have comments or questions, please leave them down below. We'll do our best to answer as many as we can. If you did like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down it. Tell me why, though. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. We're putting out a new video every week on Friday to help you guys further your vinyl hobby. So whether you do it for money or for fun, I guarantee that we will have a video that will help you out in some way, shape, or form. And as always, if you need anything, please reach out to us. Check out our website. Don't forget, speedyvinylshop.com for all your vinyl needs. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate it, and we hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. We'll see you next time.